Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. For those who are new here, my name is Rowena. I'm an intuitive tarot reader here on YouTube for more than 2 years now. In today's reading, we will see what are the big surprises coming to you in the year 2024. Since this is a general reading, it may not resonate with you completely. But if you're looking for a reading personalized to your current situation, I highly recommend my sponsor, Keen. Keen connects you with gifted psychics, tarot readers, and astrologers. All you have to do is to create an account, and you'll be able to choose from the hundreds of readers who are online right now. These readers each have unique specialties designed to provide a deeper understanding of your situation. You can choose whichever reader best suits your needs, and you'll be able to connect with them via phone call or text chat. You can have a reading in an instant whenever you want, wherever you are, because Keen is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you don't have to wait for a schedule. Keen has been my go-to psychic app whenever I need some clarity or confirmation, especially in making decisions. My favorite psychic from Keen has always been very helpful, and her insights always fit my situation. That's why it's still best to get a personal psychic reading because it is directed only to your energies. Now, here's your chance to get a personalized reading from Keen. As a new customer in Keen, you can try your first 10 minutes for only $1.99. And that's already a great deal to start. Just go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description to save big on your first reading. You can also scan this QR code so you can easily access the website. This is the cheapest psychic reading you could ever have online. Imagine it's only $1.99 or 110 pesos, and that's already a 10-minute private reading. So go to trykeen.com/QOP or click the link in my description and on the pinned comment to get a reading and enjoy a huge discount. Thank you so much for sitting through that, and thank you so much, Keen, for this opportunity. Now, let's go to your reading. Okay, Scorpio, let's see what are the big surprises coming to you sa taong 2024. Ayan, excited na ba kayo sa 2024? Comment nyo nga yung inyong mga hopes and wishes for 2024. So, this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. Ayan, pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Link on the description. So, let's see, Scorpio. Big surprises coming to you for 2024. You have wisdom. Higher learning. Oo. Some of you, maaring meron kayong mga pag-aaralan pa, no? Palalawigin nyo ang inyong kaalaman. And yung iba naman, more on maturity, no? Mas nagmamature kayo. Mas nare-realize nyo kung ano yung gusto nyo sa buhay. Ayan, o, diba? Mas nagiging confident kayo. Kung dati kayo medyo mahiyain, so you will surprise yourself ngayong 2024 na mas confident ka nang humarap sa mas maraming tao dahil ikaw ay mas marami ng alam. Sabi nga, lamang ang may alam. Okay, let's see what else. Scorpio, you have divine guidance. Wow. So, I think mas lalo kang magiging deeply connected sa yung higher self, sa yung spirituality. There are things na mas i-explore mo pa in spirituality. Mag-a-add ka ng mga bagong knowledge. Let's say, if you are into tarot reading, astrology. So, meron ka pang mga explore na, na divination. And mas magiging on point ang iyong intuition, yung instinct mo. You are pag ikaw ay magde-decision, mas madali for you to make decisions dahil marami kang alam. And kumbaga nararamdaman mo what's best for you. And yun yung mas nagbibigay sa'yo ng confidence kasi most of the time, tama ka. Tama yung decision mo. Let's see what else. Nako. Medyo mag-ingat kayo sa betrayal, no? Kasi baka ma-surprise kayo merong tao na magbe-betray sa inyo. Yes, this can be sa relationship. Pwede rin sa friendship. Yes, developing your character. So, I think, itong mga, this can be just one or depende. Meron kang may experience na betrayal with someone na doon mo mas makikilala yung sarili mo, mas makikilala mo tong taong to. And doon mo marirealize kung kaya mo pa ba siyang, kaya mo siyang patawarin. Or, pwede naman kasi tayong magpatawad pero hindi na siya part ng buhay natin, 'di ba? Ganon. I think you will finally haharapin mo, i-confront mo yung mga bagay na iniiwasan mo na harapin. This can be a conversation with a friend or a person from the past. Oo, kasi yung confidence mo, yun yung magbibigay sa'yo ng ng lakas ng loob to deal with other people. Lalo na kapag merong mga, may mga conflict. Oo. So, yung iba, umiiwas sa conflict. Hindi nila hinaharap. So, yung iba sa inyo, ito yung surprise sa inyo na you are going to be more confident in dealing with people kahit na conflict pa ito. Meron din ditong due process. The truth will be revealed. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng merong mga legal matters kayong haharapin ngayong 2024 na this will give answers to your questions, kumbaga. Pwede rin tong alam mo yung mga issues, conflict with someone na minsan nauuwi sa sa demandahan. And then, yung iba sa inyo, probably kayo ay parang may nahihiya kasi dito, no? Oo, yung iba sa inyo parang it's hard for you to express how you really feel. Parang mas madali pa sa inyo na umiwas. Oo. So, ngayong 2024, I think, mas magiging expressive ka na. And itong codependency na yan, clinging into something, I think, you will free yourself, no? Tingnan natin. Ano pa? Sixth house. Sixth house is about your career, your job. This is also your work and your health. So, pwedeng ngayong 2024, you will be focusing on your job, no? Some of you magkakaroon ng pet. Okay, pwedeng bird. Meron kayong bibilhin talaga. So, pwedeng bibili kayo ng parrot, lovebirds, ganyan. And also, meron kayong kakaharapin na health issues ngayong 2024. So, mas maganda na paghandaan nyo na. Oo, anything na parang magbibigay sa inyo ng worry, ng anxiety pagdating sa health nyo, kailangan nyo nang asikasuhin yan. You need to take care of that, okay? You have the Page of Wands, the King of Pentacles. Merong invite. So, some of you, pwedeng i-invite ka ng boss mo to travel. For business to, no? Hindi naman for Pwedeng may offer sa'yo na, dito ka magtrabaho sa branch na ito. Mas maganda yung sweldo. Ganon. Yes. Some of you are very creative. Scorpio, no? Itong pagiging creative nyo, ito yung mas magbibigay sa inyo or magdadala sa inyo ng swerte ngayong 2024. Maraming opportunities na mag-open up because of your talents and your skills. You also have the Ten of Swords. Some of you are going to cut off connections with people na unreliable, hindi mo maasahan. Oo. So, maari ring ika-cut off mo tong person na to na nag-betray sa'yo. Of course. And then you have the Three of Wands. Yes, you are moving on, you are moving forward. Merong expansion. So, pwedeng you are expanding your career, other opportunities pagdating sa iyong trabaho, sa business mo. Ngayon, 2024. May expansion. Ay, ito. Tingnan natin yung iyong final message for Scorpio. Don't run from the darkness. Embrace your shadow side. What aspect of yourself have you been afraid to look at or address? So, ayun na nga. Haharapin mo na. No? Ano man yung mga bagay na iniiwasan mong i-deal nung mga nakaraang taon. Ngayong 2024, mas fierce ka. Mas malakas ang loob mo na harapin yan. Okay? So, that is your reading. Scorpio, kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Scorpio. See you again.